In this quick tutorial, I will show you step-by-step guide on how to change language in Android phone without any stress. So let's move on. Before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this guide useful and you're very new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about Android tricks. So with that being said, let's get started.
Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to change Android phone language. A step-by-step simple tutorial. So the very first thing you need to do is to make sure you go to settings from your Android phone. Then from setting, you have to simply scroll down. The next thing you need to do is to locate system. Then you have to click on languages and input. So right here we have languages. So you have to click on languages section. Then by default, I have US language right here. So for you to add additional language, just click on other language. So when you click on other language, it takes you to all the languages that you have in your Android phone. Then you can simply select any one of them and download it, and your Android phone languages would automatically convert to your preferred language. So this is how to change language on your Android phone, a step-by-step tutorial guide. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about Android tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.